I can help with this.
Square. So acceleration equals 2 times distance over time.
There is a lot of science and engineering in Project Hail Mary, but it's classed as hard science fiction, which means that it's mostly based on sound scientific principles and logic. So let's take a look at some of those principles and separate the fact from the fiction. Project Hail Mary follows a story of a teacher, Ryland Grace. His mission is to find a solution to the catastrophic dimming of the sun, which is a crisis that's been caused by an alien microorganism called astrophage. What is astrophage? Question. Astrophage is a single-celled alien organism that uses the light emitted from the sun as its food. This reduces the sun's output and causes solar dimming. Astrophage essentially acts as a super mitochondria, which stores vast amounts of energy as mass, which is entirely fictional. If an organism like this existed in real life, it would vastly surpass the known limits for life on Earth. And currently, the highest temperature at which an organism has been observed to reproduce is 122 degrees Celsius. This was discovered on the wall of a hydrothermal vent in the Gulf of California. So while astrophage is fictional, the concept is somewhat grounded in real scientific principles, drawing on what we know about the diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. What would happen if the sun was to dim? Question. In about 5 billion years, the sun will run low on hydrogen in its core and begin to change dramatically. It will expand into a red giant, becoming much larger and more luminous. Eventually, it will shed its outer layers, forming a planetary nebula, and leave behind a dense remnant called a white dwarf. This remnant will initially be very hot, but will gradually cool and fade over billions of years. If the sun was to dim sooner than that, yes, it would cause global temperatures to drop. It would disrupt ecosystems and climate systems and severely impact agriculture and our ability to grow food. While it's entirely fictional and unlikely, the principles are grounded in sound science. What would happen if we were able to travel at the immense speeds that the Project Hail Mary spacecraft travels at? Question. As the spacecraft travels close to the speed of light, it experiences time dilation, which is a key prediction of the theory of relativity. Einstein's work demonstrated that as an object approaches the speed of light, time passes more slowly. Although we can't travel at these speeds, time dilation has been experimentally confirmed using fast-moving particles and highly precise clocks. So overall, this aspect of physics is accurately represented in the book and the film. I'll leave you to ponder on those ideas for now. Watch out for part 2, statement.